Hello everyone, a very good evening. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about cell cycle. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to explain what is cell cycle. A cell cycle is a series of events that takes place in a cell as it grows and divides. A cell spends most of its time in what is called interphase. And during this time, it grows and replicates its chromosome and prepare for cell division. The cell then leaves interphase and undergo mitosis. So here you can see a picture, diagrammatic representation of cell cycle. Now, this portion, that is interphase, this is the blue color. Here the cell spends most of its time, and the interface can be broadly classified into three more phases. That is, number one, G1 phase, number two, S phase, number three, G2 phase. Now, what this phase signifies and what the thing these phases do, here we can discuss. Now, what it stands for G1 phase? This G1 phase stands for growth. Number two, this S phase stands for synthesis, that is DNA synthesis. And number three, G2 phase, this is actually growth and preparations for mitosis. Okay. So, if we see in details of it, here you can see most cells live in interphase, and in mitosis, this phase is active cell division. Now, G1 phase. G1 phase is the longest phase of cell cycle, as you can see from the diagram. And most of cell life spent here. And in G1 phase, make extra organelles. And in G1 phase, cell has a choice. It continue grow or it move towards a cell division. So, in G1 phase, this signifies growth, and now there are certain cells which require further growth and they require division, and there are also certain cells which after growth they don't require further division, such as the brain cell, neurons. So neurons move towards G0, this phase. This is where cell division stop. This indicates stop. Stop phase, cell division stop. So let's talk about S phase, the synthesis phase. Now the synthesis phase, this signifies DNA synthesis, or it's also known as replications. So we know we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, and this chromosome duplicate them and it's make 46 pair of chromosomes. Now in G0 phase, this is no more cell division takes place. And in G2 phase, this prepare for mitosis and makes microtubules. And M phase, this is known as cell will divide. So here we complete about these three phases, and here you can see I have distinguished the percent of cell present in different phases. Like in G1 phase is 40% of the cell present in that phase, and in S phase 39% of the cells spent present during the type of synthesis. And in G2 phase only 19% and M phase were 2%. So you can see that 40% of the entire cell of our body enters into G1 phase, and our 40%, so some 39% requires division. 1% may be moving towards G0 phase, but other than 39% requires cell division. Then in G2 phase only 19%, only 19% uh, goes for further growth and preparation for mitotic. And in M phase or mitosis, only 2% of the cell divides. So here I conclude cell division, and my next video we're going to talk about cell cycle control or